Welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable health information to help you lead a happy and fulfilling life. In today's video, we will discuss 7 superfoods that every diabetic should include in their daily diet. By incorporating these foods into your meals, you can support your diabetes management and promote overall health. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. These little berries help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, thanks to their low glycemic index. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your cereal, or blend them into a smoothie to reap their benefits. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease in diabetics. Additionally, the high protein content in fish helps control appetite and keeps you feeling full for longer. Include fatty fish in your meals at least twice a week for optimal results. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in essential vitamins and minerals. These greens are also rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and controls blood sugar levels. By adding leafy greens to your salads, stir-fries, or smoothies, you can support a healthy diabetic diet. Cinnamon is a flavorful spice that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower fasting blood sugar levels in diabetics. Sprinkle cinnamon on your oatmeal, yogurt, or even in your coffee to enjoy its wonderful taste and health benefits. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They provide a great snack option for diabetics as they help control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Carry a handful of nuts or add them to your salads for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Whole grains foods like quinoa, brown rice, and whole oats are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They digest more slowly, preventing rapid spikes in blood sugar and providing a sustained release of energy. Greek yogurt, it's a protein-packed dairy option with probiotics that support gut health. Choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt helps avoid added sugars and contributes to better blood sugar control. Incorporating these 7 superfoods into your daily diet can significantly contribute to your diabetes management and overall well-being. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized dietary advice. Stay tuned to our channel for more valuable health tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.